When you're using these kinds of flashes, especially if you choose to buy a flash and a camera all within the same manufacturer, like for example, I have Canon, they can often communicate to each other. So in the front of this flash, it has the ability to read the light that's coming at it. So you can have a setup where if you have two of these flashes, you can have a master and slave situation. All that means is one of the lights is designated as the primary light, and the other lights do not need to be wired together in any way, but they will fire at the same time as this because they're communicating. The main thing that you have to consider is that this infrared area needs to be facing the other infrared area. So if I have this one on my camera like this, and my subject is over here, but I want this other flash to be over here, I have to rotate my flash and point it in a way that is going to hit my subject while still keeping it facing this other piece. The other way to avoid that is by using the pocket wizards that I showed you earlier, because they do not need to be facing each other in order to transmit to each other. But you can set up, I believe, as many as 3 additional flashes using this system, and it's extremely affordable and you can get great results.